LastPass secures your master password through the use of a stronger than typical version of the password-based key derivation function at a minimum of 600,000 iterations. To change the iterations used for your LastPass master password on mobile, desktop, or both, you'll need to log into your LastPass vault through a browser. Free mobile users can ignore the device switch left message. This doesn't require changing the activation type. Once you're logged in, go to Account Settings and then click on Show Advanced Settings. From here, you'll need to go down to Security and locate Password Iterations. This needs to be at a minimum 600,000. When entering a new number, don't use commas, periods, spaces, or any punctuation. Now, once you've made your changes, you'll need to update your settings and then confirm it with your LastPass master password. After that, the information gets submitted, and your vault is then re-encrypted using the new iterations, creating a new encryption key. Once the process is complete, you'll be automatically logged out and will need to log in again to verify your LastPass vault access. Alright, well that's it for changing password iterations for LastPass. To learn more about password iterations or how LastPass utilizes your LastPass master password as an encryption key, please see our help documentation at support.lastpass.com.